What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I want to talk to you guys about something that I think would be dope to carry as the months get warmer. It's a gun that we haven't looked at before on this channel. I want to talk to you about the Springfield Hellcat Pro. So, not a whole lot of talking before we get to showing that gun. That is a beautiful piece. The Springfield Hellcat Pro. I got so many thoughts running through my mind. It's supposed to be an unboxing video and a tabletop review, but I had to start with the gun because this is what I felt like the Hellcat did wrong. The longer barrel and longer grip make this gun dope. Let's talk about it. Now, the first thing I want to say is I'm a little over guns coming in cardboard boxes. Like, I know there are people out there who are not a fan of the hard case. I am a fan of the hard case, especially if I'm paying over $500 for a gun. I want a hard case. But that being said, when you open this joint up, it's nice. You got everything in this nice little Hellcat envelope. You got the actual testing paper from somebody testing your actual Hellcat. I don't know if I should put that person's name or my serial number on there. Manual, warranty information, all of that comes inside of here, which I thought was dope. Nice little envelope, say Hellcat on it, make it look real important. Rustic Arms may take a note from that, so if y'all see us. Then there's a little box tab that says accessories. And in there, you fold that open, and then you find your magazines, your load assist, and trigger locks. Then of course the gun comes in a little homie pouch. Nothing wrong there. And then this is the gun. What can I say about the Hellcat Pro? Coming optics ready standard is something that I think all gun manufacturers should take advantage of. Optics ready should just be the thing now. Nobody should be making firearms that are not optics ready. I love that front sight, the way it glows. You got the U-notch rear sight. I got a couple complaints. Even with the longer grip, my pinky still, about half my pinky still falls off the firearm. So I'm definitely not a fan of that. That's about all I got as far as complaints because I'm kind of liking this. The texture is nice and aggressive. It's not so aggressive that it's ripping skin off your hands, M&P Shield. I'm liking firearms that are putting the texture right here, so that way where my finger tends to rest when I'm not firing. Ideally, it should be up on the slide, but sometimes it rests here on the frame. I think that that's awesome that they thought about that. I do feel like the trigger guard is not big enough. It's really weird. Putting my finger inside that trigger guard, I feel like it's not big enough for my large hands, but we got the range review coming to y'all shortly after this one, and I can say that I shot this really well. Definitely changed the way I think about a Hellcat. Oh, before I show you guys the trigger, firearm is clear. So the trigger is actually pretty sweet. That was all the take up that there was. And then reset. Let me do that slower. So again, press. Let's make sure I can get that at a good angle. There we go. Focus camera, focus on the trigger. There we go. Press, take up. Boom, a little more slack. And reset. I felt like that was a little longer. To have a name like the Hellcat, I don't know about you guys, but when I think of Hellcats, I think of the Dodge Hellcat. And I think about how anything that's a Hellcat, you can see its presence. It's a beast. I thought this would be that, especially with it being the Pro. I thought they were gonna beef it up. Not so much. However, this is more like Glock 43 X size. And it's really nice. I've hated the Hellcat forever. But as you guys see in the range review, I don't really hate this like I hated the original Hellcat. The Hellcat was super snappy. It was uncomfortable to shoot. I wasn't a fan. This is nice. This'll make you take back everything you said back. Not everything. And I know I probably sound a little scatterbrained, but again, this is just my first thoughts, my first reaction. I just wanted to give people my general impression. Should you go buy it? Yeah. I think that this is a much more viable option than the original Hellcat. The original Hellcat was missing this. It was missing one more bump. The barrel is shorter, it's snappier. I feel like Springfield listened to somebody. But that being said, it's still a Springfield. Not a super fan. I don't want to do a full review on this gun because I did do a range review. I gotta finish editing that footage and getting it to you guys. But what do you guys think? What's your first thoughts on the Springfield Hellcat Pro? I could tell you Springfield's optic, not a fan. But we'll talk about all of that in the range review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Check out the channel. Share with your friends. Let me know in the comment, what are you guys' first thoughts on the Hellcat Pro? Again, I'm a little disappointed. When I think of Hellcat, I think super aggressive. And this just isn't it. All right. Catch y'all next video. Peace.